In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install CLO 3D on PC. Downloading and installing CLO 3D on your PC in 2025 is quite simple, and the process is similar to other professional 3D design software. CLO 3D is a powerful fashion design tool widely used for creating 3D garment visualizations, simulations, and virtual fitting, and the official installer is available directly from the CLO website. To begin, visit the official CLO 3D website at clo3d.com in your favorite web browser. I have Google Chrome open in here. Just for it right here. You will be brought right here. Just head to the download section. You'll need to create a CLO account or log in with an existing one before you can access the installer. CLO 3D offers a 30-day free trial for new users, after which you can choose between monthly or annual subscription plans depending on your needs. Once logged in, select the Windows version of CLO 3D and download the installer. When the download is complete, run the setup file. The installation wizard will guide you step by step. Just accept the license agreement, select your installation location, and proceed. The installation may take a few minutes depending on your system. After installation, open CLO 3D from your desktop or Start menu. The first time you launch it, you'll be asked to sign in with your CLO account. Once verified, you'll be able to access all the features of CLO 3D, including fabric simulation, 3D garment rendering, and avatar customization. If you're using CLO 3D for the first time, it's also worth checking out their official tutorials and learning resources, which are available on the CLO website and YouTube channel to help you get started quickly. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.